everyone. I welcome you all to this lesson. Today I am going to discuss on the topic how to write a perfect answer in Merchant of Venice and how to score good marks in Merchant of Venice. I'll give you few tips with the help of which you will really know how to write the answer. Yes, dear children, this is a very important segment and a valuable part of Merchant of Venice from examination point of view. So here I begin. First of all, I'll tell you what should be the key points in which you can score full marks. That is, if the question is of 16 marks, then 16 out of 16. You should always present a qualitative answer. Identify the speaker to whom it was said and where the scene took place. Number 3 is the important scene and trial scene, casket scene and ring scene. All these things, whenever an extract is given to you, you should mark these points first. What should be the length of your answer? Length does not mean how many words. It should be according to what the question has been asked for. Number 5, there is no template on how many lines each answer should be, certain or how many words it should have. Your attempt should be to answer each and every point asked in the question in a decent way. No grammatical mistake, no spelling mistakes, etc. Number 6, where does the extract and the scene takes place? And number 7, ensure that the key words are given importance. Number 8, if you write lengthy answer, the examiner gets annoyed and deducts marks. You should write the answers in your own words as far as possible and to the point. Number 9, you must be precise in your answer and your answer must contain key points according to the marks of the question. For example, 3 marks question should contain 3 key points, etc. Point number 10. Don't use sophisticated English words. Number 11, children, English is the most difficult subject to score. Not because of vocabulary issue, but because of certain rules that need to be kept in mind while answering a particular question. Of Merchant of Venice. Merchant of Venice is easy, but you have to take up the mind and the meaning of each and every line. You have to keep on reading the Merchant of Venice and know the meaning of every line. Number 12, you must be familiar with certain stories mentioned in the speeches of Shylock, Antonio, Gratinio, and other characters. Number 13, there are some important speeches as well, like Gratinio's speech. When Antonio is found in a melancholic mood, the speeches of Salerio and Selenio. At the same time, Bassanio's description of Portia's Shylock's speech when he talks about the atrocities that were committed into the Jews by the Christians. Apart from all these, Act 4 is very important. Point number 14. Another important thing is that you must answer only what is asked. Remember, dear children, do not add irrelevant things to your answers as that might result in the loss of marks. Point number 15. Be confident on what you write and try not to attempt the long answers, as often children get confused between the actual demand of the question and the summary. Point number 16. Stick to your syllabus, study sincerely, and you will glow out with flying colors. Now I am giving you few tips for writing good answers for a perfect answer. Number 1, read the question paper carefully at the time and a time slot provided. Number 2, while attempting the reference to context questions, write answers that are to be point in a very good handwriting. Write answers to the point in a very good handwriting. Number 3, cover different parts of the question in different paragraphs. Number 4, cover all points from the question to avoid cutting off marks. Number 5, use simple sentences that put across your point clearly. Number 6, Refrain your using excessively flowery vocabulary. Number 7. Pay more attention to covering the events from nearby the given extracts. Number 8. Do not repeat ideas even if the questions are related. Rephrase your answers. Number 9. Keep in mind the characteristics of the main character to help you frame your answers. Number 10. While attempting your long answer question, use quotes and examples from the text if you are attempting long questions. Point number 11. Combine the characteristic sketch with your opinion about the event in long answer question. Point number 12. Check your papers for grammatical and spelling errors before you submit it. Number 13. And the last, keep calm, avoid scribbling, write well, and relax. This is the key to success, and I'm sure you will come out with flying colors and glow your marks. So with these words, I end my lesson. Hope these points will be beneficial for you to keep in mind before answering the question, and I'm sure you will excel in your exam. So with these words, I end my lesson. Thank you.